Hi booze, welcome back. This is Lachey Triel with Artistry Couture. I did decide to make another bleaching knots tutorial. And what I like to start with is this blue collada colors. This is blue bleach. I have a bowl of comb. I have my aluminum foil and I have two foil tin containers. So I'm not scooping a whole scoop. I'm taking maybe like 2/3 of a scoop. And I want to go ahead and dump this in the bowl. I'm also using the number 30 in developer. Shake, 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 shake it up. You want to always make sure you shake up your products, especially liquid products, to make sure that the consistency stays the same. So I put about 4 cap tops in here. Go ahead and mix that around and around and around. Make sure that everything is mixed properly. So of course I'm demonstrating on this frontal. This is a kinky straight frontal in a 16-inch. The knots are already plucked. So now it's time for the bleaching. I'm taking this small medicine cup of water and I'm pushing all of the straight strands back. Mainly because the straight strands can get in the way and get bleached. So you want to make sure that any unnecessary hair is out of the way. Of course, I'm not using this comb today. I'm going to be using my little knife. And this works really, 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 really well. It's like you're not, this is a good tip for beginners actually too, because you're not blotting the bleach into the frontal. You're just basically smearing it over it like mayo, you know, like you're making a good sandwich. There you go, right there. So what I like to do is when I use this technique, I like to lift up the frontal to make sure that I got all of the baby hairs, which is what you see me doing. And me holding it at this angle ensures that I don't press down on the hair as well. Flip that over. I'm going to lay this down on my aluminum foil. And this aluminum foil you can get from Dollar Tree. It's pre-cut. Dollar Tree, guys. Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree. Fold that over. So make sure that the heat is sealed within. This is my first pan. I'm going to go ahead and take a 32-ounce cup and fill that all the way up with hot, scorching water. Steaming hot water. You see the steam? 32 ounce. Now I'm going to go ahead and place my other pan on top of here, on top of this hot water. This ensures that the heat rises to the top pan to heat up the bleach on the knots. It also cuts down time. These are my products I'll be using: the BTZ protein shake, my shampoo and conditioner by Ion Cool Blonde, and my BTZ bleach head. This revives and strengthens blonde hair. Like when I tell you this fortifies, this is the bomb. Girl, it's the bomb. Go ahead and buy it. I think it's like $7 at Sally's. BTZ, actually all 4 of these products are from Sally's. So I did let this sit about 15 to 20 minutes and let those knots process. Of course, I start with a good rinse all of this bleach up out of this hair. You want to make sure you are thoroughly washing this out of here. If you don't wash it all the way out, it'll be like really, really flaky and it'll be stuck in the hair, and that's not cute. Okay. And of course, I'll show you guys how the knots look before I use my magic purple shampoo. It's Not my magic, but it's magic. It works really, really well. So I'm going to go ahead and shampoo and lather this up one time for the one time. And I'm going to let this sit on here for the first time. And I repeat the first time for about 5 minutes after that's lathered up. That's how it looks all lathered up. So my 5 minutes has went past. I'm rinsing this out really quick. Making sure all of this is out of here. All the shampoo is out of here. I'm going to go ahead and prep this up for round 2 for shampoo. And the second time I leave it on here for 10 minutes. Lather that up once more for the second time. The only difference with this time is I let the conditioner sit on there with it. And you guys you'll see me put the conditioner on there right here and rub it in all nice and smooth. Make sure that everything is evenly coated. Work my way through there, massage everything through. So after I'm done with this, I'll let it sit on for about 10 minutes and then I'll rinse it off so that I can apply the BTZ bleach heads. And I'm going to do that right there. And we're going to play hero with this because we are saving these knots. This will fortify and strengthen these knots so they stay on the lace. And you leave this on for about a minute or two and rinse it out. We're going to go in with the protein cocktail. This is a leave-in conditioner. This furthermore strengthens the hair. And now that I am all done, I went ahead and let it air dry. I do not like to blow dry my lace closures. I just don't do it. They'll burn. So I let them all air dry. And I'll show you guys the in-depth up in there. Get up in there. So boys, I just want to really take the time out to thank you so much for watching this video. Go ahead and subscribe so that you don't miss absolutely anything. Go ahead and watch the rest of the videos. There'll be a couple links at the end of this video. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. On Facebook, I do go live. I try to go live as much as possible. You're more than welcome to watch those to keep up with what's current. And again, thank you so much. Subscribe and have a great day. Thank you. Bye. And of course, go ahead and check out these videos at the end to make sure that you don't miss how I made the wig from A to Z. Have a great day, boos.